Hi and hello, welcome to online biology class because of Ideal Others Educational Institution and the youth. I am Sadish Kumar going to take down the class regarding the topic of health and diseases. This is unit number 21 for 10th standard biological science. So from the continuation of the health and disease, we are seeing about the another type of abuse. We are going to be seeing about two type of abuses. One is called tobacco abuse and another one is called alcohol abuse. So we know very well regarding these two abuses. It was mainly affected by the youngster, and they are causing many kind of problem, and some of them are in the very form of dangerous, and they are causing the death. So we will create some kind of awareness regarding the students. This topic is included and play the vital role for their own life. So let us enter into the topic. What are the things we are going to be seeing about today's topic? Then tobacco is obtained from the tobacco plant. So Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. These two type of the species which can be derived from the tobacco leaf. First one we are derived the tobacco things in the form of leaf. From the dried leaf is cured and is the young branches make a commercial tobacco used for worldwide. So we can obtain from BD, cigarette, then variety of things they are obtained in the form of tobacco in the form of dried leaves and cured leaves which is used for making the commercial purpose. Not only in India, it is widely used for throughout the world. Then the addiction of the tobacco is due to the nicotine and alkaloid present it. So they are having a chemical component. The chemical component name is called nicotine and alkaloid present it. So nicotine is a stimulant. It's highly harmful and a poisonous substance. The diagram is given below for the dried leaf of this tobacco. And the nicotine is a stimulant which is creating some kind of a stimulant and virulent to our body, and by the same time which is causing some kind of poisonous substance. Then the tobacco uses, what are the things we are used by means of tobacco? Smoking, BD, cigarette, such kind of things, chewing and snuffing in the form of horns, and using that poyali. Then we are using in the form of that tobacco, and inhaling a tobacco in the form of cigars, cigarettes, and cigarettes, BDs, pipes, kutka is in the form of smoking. So they are used in the form of smoking and also used for in the form of a powder also. And the tobacco powder is used for chewed with this pan, though we know that pan parak, pan masala, such kind of things. When this powdered tobacco is taken through this nose is called sunfing. So they are using the Tamil we are called upon podi. So they are used for the sunfing purpose. Then the smoking hazards and the effects of this tobacco we know very well. So we are seeing that the movie in the theater and the home, the tobacco causing injurious and they are causing a cancer. We are they are government also creating some kind of awareness, but still now the people they are using this tobacco. So the by means of the smoking and the effect of tobacco, let us see. When the smoke is inhaled, the chemical get absorbed by the tissues and causes the following harmful effect. So we know very one thing, those who are consuming tobacco or smoking, then compared to the normal person getting more kind of effect because the plenty of smoke which is comes out and which is inhaled by the healthy person, they also infected with several kind of problems. What are the things they are caused by the tobacco? We will see from one by one. Then the diagram which is not given your textbook for your understanding only, I will give you all kinds of diagram. Please don't skip the video. Then you can go through it entire. Then benzopene and polycyclic hydrocarbon present in the tobacco smoke is a carcinogenic and causing a lung cancer. So carcinogenic, it is a kind of tumor which causing a lung cancer. So the lungs it is getting some kind of problem and we are having a respiratory problem. Finally the person will be died due to this one. And second one, the causing inflammation in this throat and bronchs leading to this like and bronchitis and pulmonary tuberculosis. It is a kind of TB. It is a tuberculosis. It is a kind of TB. The diagram is given below. So which is causing the problem in the throat region, and branches, it is a windpipe. They are connected with the two lungs and the alveoli getting a problem, and finally lack of oxygen and getting a tumorous cell in this lungs. The person caused the death. And third one, inflammation in the lung alveoli decrease the surface area of the gases exchange, which cause emphysema. So that is the alveoli getting a cancer cell and it is getting enlarged their own size. So they are unable to carry more quantity of oxygen. Finally, they are causing with the emphysema. One more question. And the carbon monoxide of the tobacco smoke binds with the hemoglobin RBC and it decreases the oxygen carrying capacity using a hepsia and body tissues. So the diagram is given. At the time of respiration, we are inhaling the oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. At the time of inhaling the oxygen, our hemoglobin cell, they are carrying with more quantity of oxygen molecule. But what we are doing at the time of we are carrying that the carbon monoxide, the place of RBC is reduced, so we are getting a symptom in the form of eczema. Then it is increased blood pressure caused a smoking lead to the risk of heart diseases. So we are having a heart disease and heart attack by means of the increased blood pressure caused by the smoking. And the causes increase a gastric secretion which leads to a gastric and a duodenal ulcer. So at the form of we are commonly call upon a peptic ulcer which is caused by the stomach and the end of the stomach, the duodenum. They are having a problem with the smoking. And last one and a dangerous one, the tobacco chewing is cause a oral cancer in the form of mouth cancer, then tongue, teeth, enamel, buccal cavities, all these things they are having a mouth cancer series diagram in the form of picture. And the World Health Organization WHO in the year of 1984 suggested the use the term drug. WHO issued a directive under which is cricket advertisement in the pack of carrying a sanitary warning, statutory warning for smoking is injurious to the health. Those who are brought that cigarette packet, they are given the slogan, smoking is injurious to the health. And the prevention of smoking, what are the preventing measure we can to control the smoking? The knowing the dangers of the smoking and chewing tobacco, adolescents and the old people need to avoid this habit. So we know we are having a problem, but still now we are using all these things. Please avoid such kind of things. And proper counseling and medical assistance can help to this addict and give up to the habit of smoking. So by means of having some kind of counseling, we are treating the person. Then more to know question. Anti-Tobacco Act was passed on May 1st, 2004. One more question. By 2030, tobacco is expected by a single biggest cause of death worldwide, counting for 10 million death per year. So we can see that from plenty of people they are using that tobacco. By means of tobacco, they are having a in 2030 the 10 million people are death rate in per year. And second one, May 31st is observed No Tobacco Day or World Anti-Tobacco Day. It is a one mark question and book back question. And second abuse, we will see about alcohol abuse. We know very well the alcohol also creating some kind of problem. What are the things begained by means of alcohol? Let us see in the form of the textual content. Then the consumption of alcohol is a social evil and participated by these wealthier and poor section in the society. So it is a social drink. So all they are using by means of there is no variation between the wealth people as well as in the poor economical condition containing people. The developments of alcohol is called an alcoholism and the addict is termed as an alcoholic. One more question. It is called an alcohol abuse. Drinking of alcohol is impairs one of the physical, psychological and physiological functions. So they are having some kind of problem in the form of physical, psychological and physiological substance by means of this alcohol. And harmful effects of alcohol to the health. So the prolonged use of alcohol depresses the nervous system, which means affected by the nervous system by acting as a sedative and anesthetic substance in the form of an unconscious substance which is created by the alcohol. Some of the harmful effects are given. Number one, nerve cell damages resulted to the various mental and physical disturbances. So the shaking of the hand and the lack of coordination with the body organs and bold or reduced vision result in the road accident. These two diagrams are given this slide. And the dilution of blood vessels which may affect the functioning of the hearts. So the dilution of blood, the hemoglobin content are reduced, and finally what it will be happen, the heart function is reduced, and the liver damage resulting the fatty liver, which leads to the cirrhosis and formation of fibrous tissue. The diagram is given. First one is called normal liver, and second one they are having the highly inflamed and having too much quantity of cirrhosis, and the body loses its control and conscious, eventually leading to the health complications until for the death. So the various complication which is behind by the body and which is controlled by the brain, so finally the person is ultimately in the form of death. And the alcohol rehabilitation and treatment, 5 mark question, book back question. The education and counseling, so education and proper counseling will help to the alcoholics overcome the problem and stress, accept this failure in their life. And second one, the physical activity, the individual undergoing the rehabilitation and channelized to the healthy activities like reading, music, sports, yoga and meditation, which are preventing the habit. And seeking the help from the parents and the peer groups. So when the problematic situation occur, the affected individual should be seek the help. So they need some kind of help in the financial and educational, and the guidance to the parents and peer group. This would help them to share their feeling and anxiety, wrongdoing, get right their habits. And medical assistance, the individual should seek the help from the psychologist and psychocortex to get relieved from this condition and relaxed and peaceful of life. Then alcohol de-addiction and rehabilitation program, the helpful to the individual so that they would get right the problem and completely lead to the normal and healthy life, which is done by government as well as the NGOs also done the re-addiction and rehabilitation program for the alcoholic people in the form of Succeed, and the various agencies they are preventing the persons. Then thank you very much. We will see that the various types of meningitics, what are the form of meningitics are available. So we will see that most amazing topic and day-to-day life we will see in the next video and the next classes. Before that, I am thanking you, Sadish Kumar from Biological Science Department. Thank you very much.